On this video today, I'm going to talk about simple multiplied money. Okay, how to actually multiply your money, turn it from 1 to 2, 1,000 to 2,000, 20,000 to 100,000, so on and so forth. Because a lot of people talk about making money, but you need to know that you can never save your way to wealth. Investment and investing is the only way to get rich. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down, if I only had one thing to do, one strategy to unlock, what would it be? And I'm not talking about real estate or buying a business or anything like that. This is where you lock in and you truly understand how money works. You see, there are different vehicles out there, different ways to get you from point A to point B. But the most important thing is efficiency. How can I get from point A to point B the fastest without compromising my health and my chest? And by chest, I mean my treasure chest, okay? So get your mind out the gutter and giving myself the maximum amount of potential increase. And this is where other investment strategies fall short because real estate is a great wealth builder, but be ready to wait 10, 20, 30 years to make it. And the cash flow, it could be hit or miss. The second thing is starting a business. And yes, the cash flow is great, but the skills you have to learn, the amount of time you have to put in takes decades. But if you want a vehicle where something else or someone else does the work for you, this is the video you need to watch. Because rich people make money through timing, not by guessing. You've probably heard this quote that time in the market beats timing the market. Well, that's not necessarily true because if your goal is multiplication, not safety, not diversification, you're trying to make as much money as possible in a relatively short amount of time by cap and while capping your downside, then just buying VOO or SPY is not going to get you there. You need a multiplication engine. And this is where quad witching comes in. You see, there's a very interesting phenomenon called quad witching. And 4 times a year, 4 derivatives expire worthless at the same time. And this gives us an opportunity because a lot of times the market is mistimed. So what we do as shrewd, smart investors is we stack cash for this time frame. We buy long call options and then we let it grow. I remember the last time I did this in March. I bought the SPY and I made 313% in literally 4 weeks. Literally not doing anything. My money made money for me. Warren Buffett once said, if you're not making money in your sleep, then you will work for the rest of your life. So if I had to multiply my money and I wanted a surefire way to do this with high accuracy and high probability of success, then I will do something called LEAP options. LEAP options stands for long-term equity appreciated securities. Pretty much what it means that you control the contracts for a particular stock for a year or more. And the beautiful part about LEAPs is that one options contract controls 100 shares. So this gives us 3 advantages. Number one, leverage. We can buy a lot of shares with one contract. Number two, price minimization. Instead of buying 100 shares for 10 or 20 or 30,000, we control 100 shares for like 200, $300. Number three, it gives us multiplication potential. Because we're buying the options and not the stocks itself, we make money on anticipation. Get it? Leap equity anticipation securities, right? So we make money on anticipation as well as equity going up. So not only do we make money as the stock rises, as the anticipation rises with it, we make more money. So last quad witching in March, when the market was only up 10% year to date, I was making 300% in 3 weeks. That is the difference in power of quad witching when done right. Now, here's a couple rules for you to remember. The best quad witching multiplication happens when the market has dipped, okay? Number two, quad witching comes around 4 times a year: March, June, September, and December. Okay. And it's usually the third Friday of these dates. So whatever that date is for whatever year, calculated. The next one is I'm making this video literally started 4 days ago, which I believe was June 19th. So me and the team, we're already getting to work buying our leaps. Number three, we're buying leaps because it's giving us safety. The more time you have on an options contract, the more safety you have, because the anticipation of that contract can change anytime and anywhere. So, what we want to do is use that anticipation in our favor. Number four, we look to make minimum 50% of my money, but usually I'm going to make 100% or more on my money within a few weeks to a few months. On average, I double my money, which is making 100%, in about 3 to about 6 weeks. That's about the average time frame that these leaps go to work. So here's the question for you. If you had an automatic time machine that doubled your money on demand like that, how much money would you put in it? Exactly, as much as humanly possible. While I believe in risk management and it's a great thing to practice, you have to know when to load the boat, because history gives us probability, and probability gives us profit. And by the way, you don't have to take my word for this. And if you don't know what to buy, the SPY, okay, what you're already buying in VOO, instead of just buying the stock, you should buy the options contract as well. For my students, I always put out a list every quarter of what I'm buying for quad witching and how much to buy and how much I'm typically spending so they can participate along with me. But if you're just watching this video, you just need to know the power of these options and you need to start making slow money. Because when I teach selling income, selling options for income generation, buying leaps during the quad witching plays for multiplication is one of the biggest hacks you can have. I remember a story of a client who was a truck driver, okay? He had spent 20 years saving about 160, 180 grand in cash. And he learned about the power of leaps and quad witching. And within 18 months, literally, he turned that 180 grand to over $500,000. Now, if he had just bought VOO or SPY, that same double would have taken him probably 8 years. And I checked. So he did something in 18 months that normally would have taken 8 years to accomplish. You literally buy back your time by using timing, not guessing. So if you want to participate in quad witching, remember these four things. It happens every quarter of the year. So don't ever feel FOMO. There's one coming around. Number two, the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip. I'm going to say that again. The bigger the dip before quad witching, the bigger the rip. Number three, you want to wait 3 to 10 business days before actually buying. So if you're tired of your money sitting in a high yield savings account making 4% a year, or you're generating cash flow because I've taught you how to do that, making 4% a week, and you want to make 100%, 200, 300% in a few weeks, this is the way to do it. It's so powerful that senators are actually using this to multiply their wealth. I remember a contract I bought around March where there was a senator reported that he put $1 million in Microsoft options. And by the time I checked those contracts, he had turned $1 million to six in a matter of 2 months. The reason senators are getting rich and you are not is because they're using tools that allow them to skip and redeem time. Options is one of those tools. If you want to learn more about this, I recommend you check out my links below. I usually have several things that I teach on that. But number three, comment the word cash flow, and I can create literally a guide for quad four and I can give it to you. Matter of fact, I actually have one. So yeah, comment quad four, and if I get 50 comments, I will release the document to you guys and you guys can check it out. Chat soon.